Let's take a look at two approaches to meeting with an instructor.
Hey, Professor Smith. I was wondering if I could talk to you about the homework.
Sure thing. That's what I'm here for. Why don't you go ahead and have a seat?
Sure.
So what problems did you have trouble with?
I haven't started the homework yet.
Okay. Well, how about we talk about what the concepts in class? Were there some concepts in class that were maybe giving you some trouble that we could talk about?
Well, see, I haven't actually been to class in a while, so...
So that's a problem. You're not going to be able to pass physics if you don't actually come to class.
I thought this was Spanish.
Hey, sorry to bother you. I'm having some trouble understanding problem 4 of the homework.
Sure thing. Well, why don't you go ahead and grab a seat and tell me which part confused you.
So I was able to find the kinetic energy using the mass and velocity, but I'm not sure how to find the potential energy.
Okay. Can you think of an equation that we talked about in class that relates kinetic energy and potential energy?
Oh, I totally forgot about the mechanical energy. I can't believe I missed that. Sweet. Thank you so much for your help.
Absolutely no problem. That's why I'm here. For the most part, the course instructor is the best resource for getting help with course concepts. The instructor is the one who designs the course and can provide insight on difficult concepts. As with our previous examples, the instructor is never going to just give you the answer. They can provide help in understanding the problem and course concepts. However, a successful interaction between student and instructor can be assisted by how prepared the student is. As you observed in the previous example, a student who comes with directed questions and attends class will get more from the one-on-one interactions. What the student does with this information can also be helpful when they work with their peers. Let's take a look at two possible approaches.
Man, I've really been struggling with integrating by parts.
Oh, I went to Professor Jones' office hour, then showed me exactly how to do it.
Great, can I see your paper?
Sure, I'll show you what Professor Jones showed me. It would help if you had been there, but I can save you some time.
Here is a better approach.
Man, I've really been struggling with integrating by parts.
I went into the professor's office hour, and showed me exactly how to do it.
Oh great, can I see your paper?
I feel like it would help to learn the material if we went over the solution approach instead. That's what the professor did with me, and it really helped.
In the first scene, this student is presenting and sharing his/her solution with another student. The second scene is different in that the conversation is more conceptual. The physical solution is never presented to the other student. Now, let's take a look at a few other examples that could occur during your instructor's office hours.
Hey man, are you waiting in line for Professor Smith? Nah, you go ahead. I'm just going to sit out here and copy down what she says to the other students.
All right, man. Are you sure you don't want to go in there and talk to her yourself? You might learn better that way.
You know, I have not started on the homework yet, and my plan is to just piece together what she says to them later on in the week sometime.
Okay.
I'll be right back. Just continue your exams.
Well, guys, look what I found.
Did you find gum?
Well, yeah, but it's the answers to the test.
I'm no expert, but that seems like cheating.
Probably, but we look at each other's tests all the time. We're just cutting out the middleman.
Both of these examples are considered cheating. The students are not putting in the work and trying to find an easy way out to finish the homework or do well on the exam. Now, let's take a look at a better way to deal with anxiety that comes with an engineering class.
Hey, how are you feeling about this class?
I don't know, I'm kind of anxious about it, but I know there's a lot of resources we have outside of class. If we just put in the work, we're going to be fine.
Yeah, honestly, I'm feeling pretty nervous about it too. What kind of resources are you talking about though?
I mean, the professor has office hours, we have a textbook, notes. There's also like online tutoring sessions we could go to. There's tutoring in the library. We're going to be fine.
Yeah, I mean, when you really think about all the resources we have, it's really hard not to succeed. Thanks.
Your instructor wants you to do well in the class and one day become an engineer. We want that too, but it is important to approach these interactions with the same level of integrity that you have when working through homework problems and studying for exams. We want you to focus on the appropriate resources and approaches and avoid the negative ones. The goal is to use what is allowable to contribute to your learning so that you can master the material and do well on exams, and then as a practicing engineer.